Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
Good evening, Eastern Iowa. I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Andy Cassidy. Well, much like last night, once again tonight, I think this is going to be the coldest night we're going to see in maybe quite a while. There is a freeze warning in effect, really not only for all of Eastern Iowa and all the KWWL viewing area, but much of the upper Midwest and the entire state of Iowa. So if you have any sensitive vegetation or plants, cover them up or bring them inside because temperatures are expected to dip below freezing. Many areas are going to be in the upper 20s and low 30s for us tonight. Tomorrow, hard freeze not expected, but some frost is likely across much of the area as we'll see once again clear skies and cool conditions. Tuesday we'll see a chance, or Monday night into Tuesday morning I should say, we'll see a chance of some light rain, so that should keep things on the moderate side. Wednesday night or Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, we'll see another chance of frost, but then after that we're going to see things really warm up and that frost and freeze chance looking pretty unlikely past Tuesday night into early Wednesday morning. Now the winds tonight, they're going to die down. They were pretty strong during the day today, and they'll really be only about 5 to 10 miles per hour tonight. But with that, as well as clearing skies, as we always talk about, that cold air that likes to sink. It's heavier and dense. It sinks to the ground. It'll be allowed to settle into the ground, so that's why we're seeing those freeze conditions and really cool conditions for this time of year. During the day tomorrow, they will pick back up a little bit, but not as strong tomorrow as high pressure decides to roll in, give us clearing skies, and a little bit of a cooler wind, or lighter wind, Still will be out of the northwest, but conditions will be a lot nicer tomorrow than it was today. So in terms of future track here, we're going to see those clouds start to dissipate a little bit overnight, and really after midnight, we'll see a whole lot of clear skies. But as you wake up tomorrow morning, going to be on the chilly side in the upper 20s and low 30s, so make sure to bundle up if you're headed out early tomorrow morning. By the noon hour, though, we'll see things ramp up into the low to mid 50s, and by the afternoon, we'll see a lot of areas, I think, in the low 60s, and I think we'll even be warmer than this, what Future Track is showing. So it's going to be a very nice Sunday ahead. Overall tonight, those low temperatures, as I mentioned, upper 20s and low 30s, decreasing cloud cover with that freeze warning in effect. During the day tomorrow, much more April-like, very seasonal, upper 50s and low 60s. You can see that normal high at 63, right where we should be. Winds a little bit lighter as well tomorrow out of the northwest at 5 to 15. Your city-by-city forecast for Waterloo, Dubuque, Cedar Rapids, and Iowa City. So a light rain chance moves in through the area Monday afternoon into early Tuesday morning, or I should say during the day on Tuesday. But chances are pretty light because there's not a lot of moisture to work with, and it's a fast-moving system. So I'm not expecting much out of this. Not many areas will see a lot of rain, but could see a little bit Monday evening into the day on Tuesday. But I want to turn your attention to Friday. A potent system will start to develop and strengthen off to our west during the day on Thursday. While we could see some rain on Thursday, not expected to be severe, but Friday during the afternoon and evening hours, we could see some strong and possibly severe storms. So level 2 risk across much of the upper Midwest, including a whole lot of eastern Iowa. And again, remember the last severe weather system we had on Tuesday? This severe weather risk, or the severe weather risk for that, was about 5 days out, and this is 6 days out. So again, there's some growing confidence we could see more strong to severe storms. Obviously, a lot can change, and we'll probably see some changes until then, but stay up to date on the forecast because Friday is certainly an emphasis point for us as we watch the chance of strong to severe storms. So because of that, we do have a Storm Track 7 yellow alert day for Friday. Again, for much of eastern Iowa, we'll see where that zone kind of shifts over the next 6 days. And as we go through the rest of the 10-day before Friday, as I mentioned, rain chances are light Monday and Tuesday. However, winds are going to be strong on Monday as well as Tuesday. So that windy trend of April continues. Wednesday will be a temporary relief of the rain. And then, as I mentioned, that storm system will move in Thursday. Not expecting anything severe Thursday, but Friday, we're keeping an eye on that. Saturday, more rain chances. And then Sunday is even another day to look at. Now, that's 8 days out, and certainly a lot can change then. But we'll keep an eye on Sunday as well, as we could see more chances of showers and storms. And really, it's going to be a very active end to April, but definitely the temperatures feeling more seasonal in the mid to upper 60s and low 70s by the following week.